Hey everyone, Sebastian here today. This is second Amazon boxing. Well, Amazon boxing number 2. Today got a box from, actually a box, an envelope, whatever, from Amazon. Transformers Studio Series Roadbuster. Now, I think it was like in a recent eBay unboxing, got like the initial figure, and which is right here. The difference is, well, aside from lack of MechTech weapon. Of course, vehicle mode looks more in the movie. Now, I know there's going to be a Studio Series Top Spin yet to release, as well as a Studio Series Leadfoot, which from I remember reading is going to be like a Target exclusive, like the Human Alliance figure from the initial Dark of the Moon line. Anyways, that's all for this unboxing. This is Sebastian saying see you next time.